Yo guys, welcome back. My name is Jason and today I'll be showing you how to make 3 creative text effects in After Effects to enhance your next music video / edit. So once you make your text layer above your actual clip, you want to bring in optics compensation, you want to turn on reverse lens distortion, put on vertical, and then what you want to do is make your first keyframe right here, and then you want to put it on 180. Open up a keyframe right there by pressing U on the keyboard. Then you just want to go 3 frames ahead. So 1, 2, 3. Then you want to bring it down to 129.5. And then you just want to ease both of these. You want to add brush strokes. Then you want to go down to the brush size and just put it down to 1. Oh, I've actually forgot. I'm just gonna put our actual text. You can see how the text is coming out. So let me bring these down. And then for your next effect, you want to add color emboss. You want to put the relief to 2.90 and the contrast to 355. And then you want to add scatter. Want to put the grain on horizontal, put the scatter amount to 9.0. Then you want to head down over here, and then you want to add glow. Put the glow threshold on 30.6, and then you want to put on turbulent displacement. Displace. Put the amount to 65. Head down to evolution options, and then on your keyboard, what we actually want to do is hold down Alt, and then click on the random seed right here. Then it's going to bring you to this right here, and then just basically just want to type out time, put the asterisk 10. So once you're at the last effect, it should look like this. So for the next effect, what we want to do is just make your text layer. You want to pre-compose it, and then for the first effect, you want to add CC burn film, and then you're going to want to add the burn at 100. And then you want to count 12 frames forward. So after that, you want to add optics compensation again for this one. You want to put the FOV orientation of vertical, and you want to put go to the start of your text layer, go to FOV, put 152.7, and put it at 50. And then again, just want to open up the keyframes and ease. So you want to add glow, and then once you add glow, basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to be cutting up the text layer. So about maybe right here, I'm gonna cut it up, and then I'm gonna go frame by frame. And then what I'm going to do is actually go to each frame, unlink the scale, and you're just going to want to mess around with the scale. Bring this down, and then I'm actually gonna press S on my keyboard, make a keyframe, and I'm just gonna go to the end of our clip right here, and you're gonna wanna press right click, hit reset, and then you're gonna wanna ease. So once you're at the scale right here, you're gonna go to the beginning of your clip again, and with this one, you're going to add a keyframe right here on the CC burn film, have it on 0. Then you want to head towards the end, about right there, and then put it on 77. And then again, it's gonna give this nice transition out with the text, just like in the beginning, but opposite. That is actually going to be our last effect for this text effect. So your end result is going to look like this. Once you add your text layer above your video, you're going to head down to glow, put glow, and then you want to put down threshold to 0, intensity to 11. And then once you have that, you're going to actually want to pre-comp your text. Then you want to add optics composition. You want to head down to FOV 152.9, put it on vertical, and then you want to head down to view center. And this is going to be not tricky, but it just is going to depend on your actual clip that you have. So what I'm going to do is scale this up a bit, bring it to the middle, and then you're going to want to bring down our view center just on the vertical. Go right here, just want to push it down, and then you want to head towards around the middle, and then I'm just going to click reset, so it's more towards about right there. Yeah, then you want to ease both of these clips, and yeah, that's how it should look. Next, you want to add radial blur. You want to put it on zoom, put it on high quality. Then you want to head towards the beginning of our text, put it on 48, click on the amount to make a keyframe. Then you want to head towards around the end. No, actually head around maybe to the end of our actual, right here when it's done, like when it's done coming to the middle. Then you want to head right here, put 20, right there. Ease both of these clips. And then you're going to want to add noise, and then go around 95. And it's just going to give this like nice, cool, kind of pixelated effect right here inside. Then you want to head down to mosaic. You want to add a mosaic to your clip, text. Put 500. And then forward 3. And this is what our final text should look like. And yeah, that is all for this video. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching.